In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the background color on your videos in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. All right, so I have here this short video, but as you can see, we have a black color on the sides, which I don't like. I'd like to go ahead and change it. Now, to change this black color, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and move this video from the first timeline to the second timeline here. So go ahead and move it up like that so that it is on the second timeline and we have a blank first video timeline. Now from here, go ahead and click on stock media here, and then go ahead and choose any color that you want. You can choose from trending. We have even solid colors. So if you click on solid color, this will go ahead and highlight all the solid colors that are available in Filmora. For instance, I want this dark gray, so I'll go ahead and download it, and here we go, it has been downloaded. So once you have downloaded it, now it's time to go ahead and add it to the first timeline. To do that, just drag it and take it to the first timeline, and then make sure that it runs from the beginning or the start of the video to the end, just like that. Now you can see the background color has changed. However, if your solid color didn't fit in, because you can see we still have black color here, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on this color, and now we have the outline here. We can go ahead and scale this to fill the whole of our video, just like that. Now if you go ahead and play it, you can see we have now our color or our background changed on the whole of the video. So that's how you can change the background color in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.